friends, I'm Melly from mellycooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate chip scones. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy scones recipe, we need butter, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, milk, and chocolate chips. Very simple everyday ingredients. And also I'm going to use food processor just so it's easier to mix the ingredients. The food processor is fitted with a steel blade. So I'm going to take 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup of butter, and I'm going to just cut it into several pieces and put it and add to the food processor. And next I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. So here's 1 cup and a 2nd cup of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So 1 teaspoon and another 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, So now I'm going to use the food processor to mix these ingredients together. You can also pulse a few times. And check here, I think it needs some more time. And now, basically, see the flour and butter, they're combined together, so you can see how it looks different. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And again, mix until combined. So you know it's ready when the dough turns into a ball. And the last ingredient we have is chocolate chips. So I'll have to mix them in by hand because if I put them in a food processor, it will, chop it into pieces, and I want to keep the chocolate chips intact. So I'll just remove the dough from the food processor. to add 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix them in. So now I'll take the dough and I'm going to shape it in a ball. And I'm going to flatten it like this. And I'm going to cut it into wedges to make the scones. So cut it in half. And now each half into half. So we're going to make a total of 8 scones. And now put them on a non-stick parchment paper lined baking sheet. Perfect. And now let's put it in the oven. So the oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake the scones. Now these scones have been baking for 21 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and they're ready. Look at them, they look amazing. So big with nicely brown tops. Perfect. Now to make sure they're cooked, I do recommend using a toothpick, insert it in the center and make sure it comes out clean. Yep. So they're good, ready. So if yours are raw inside, just bake them for a little bit more. And now I'm going to have them cool down and then try them. Now the scones have cooled down and I'm so excited about trying them. They look so delicious. Let's try it. Let me just break one so you could see this amazing texture with all those chocolate chips. Looks so good. It tastes as good as it looks. They're so tender with a perfect texture and gooey melted chocolate inside. Tastes so delicious. You will love these scones. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!